Hayden, let's have a walk now. Let's go now then. Hayden, wow, good job. Let's bring this. Hi, loves. So we are just waiting for.
Baby.
Yeah. Mag-walking kami mga loves kasi maganda yung weather kahit medyo malamig. And then masama ang pakiramdam namin. Medyo okay, pero hindi katulad nung 2 days ago and yesterday na sobrang masama talaga. Kahit yung baby boy ko, masama talaga masama yung pakiramdam namin. Medyo okay ng konti. Yung boses ko nga hindi pa masyado. After nung celebration, tapos afternoon, tapos day after, yun lumabas yung mga sakit-sakit namin. Sipon, ubo, ganun. So nag-antay na lang ako kay husband na kasi nasa bahay pa siya. Nag-aayos. So punta kami ng park. Ano lang, just quick walk. Ikot-ikot lang loves kasi kung sa bahay lang kami, parang lalong hindi gumagaling yung sakit ko. Para makakuha tayo ng fresh air. So, yan.
Hi guys, can you show me guys? Hi.
Yun. So, yun loves. Punta muna kami ng local shop kasi si Mr. gusto niyang bumili ng makakain doon sa park. So, yeah. So, loves, kakalabas lang namin ng shop dyan. Sa local shop. Malapit siya dito sa... Ito yung tinatawag namin local shop kasi walking distance lang sa bahay. Hindi mo kailangan sumakay. Kaya tinawag siyang local shop. Aside from that one, because that one is small one, we have the big one. It's also nearest shop as well. But this one is ito talaga yung pinakamalapit sa lahat. So yun, punta na kami ng park. Then yung little one dyan ay nag-i-enjoy kumakain ng snacks. Loves, merong dito parang tawag na ito, kumbaga dyan sa Pilipinas,
Sometimes it's not good to record.
Please clear the track. Your ride is about to begin. Please clear the track. Your ride is about to begin.
Kids have some holiday as well because loads of
dito na kami love sa park. Dito kami naman sa ibang ibang pwesto, ibang area.
they keep her sides and mind them when Vronsky wife comes.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm not sure. Or it's not good enough.
only because no, because the lady also, the girl. No, we shouldn't talk.
So funny. Am I so recording now?
Did you found a flower? No? Yeah, the flower. Flower.
And how is the rest of the family? How is John May? How is everybody?
Raydan? Tingnan mo to. Oh. Oo. Oh. What is that? Wow. He's walking. Wow. Look at him. Oh, oh, oh.
So, how about
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Hold tight. Hold tight. Hold tight. Gustong-gusto niya tong mataas na slide. Ang tangkad, ang taas-taas eh. Wait for daddy, wait for daddy. Wait for daddy. Okay, ready? Steady. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ready?
Okay, please.
Raydan, we're going home now. Hi?
What do you say?
Yeah. Going home now. Mag-snacks lang kami. Dahil pupunta na kami, uwi na kami ng bahay.